All the unbound excitement of digging into a pizza, now in a handy sandwich form. This yummy Indian style bread sandwich pizza is so simple that even your kids can join you in making this recipe. Since the ingredients are so common, you can make it at any time, any day that hunger strikes without warning. But before moving into the recipe, let's welcome you all to our channel Pinch of Everything, and please do subscribe, like and share this video. Let's get started. For making Indian style pizza sandwich, first we need to combine all the veggies together, like we are taking onion, capsicum and some green coriander. Along with that, add handful of boiled corns. Next up, we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pizza pasta sauce. Instead of pizza sauce, you can also use tomato ketchup by adding some herbs and chili. This is a substitute of pizza sauce, and I am adding both pizza pasta sauce along with the tomato ketchup. To that, we added cheese, and as far as cheese is concerned, you can add pizza cheese or mozzarella cheese, even cheddar cheese or low-fat cottage cheese can be added. Mix all the ingredients properly, and to that we are adding oregano and some chili flakes. Mix all the ingredients properly and keep it aside. Moving ahead, for that we need 2 slices of bread. Firstly, we have to discard all 4 sides of the bread. Then cut the bread as I am showing in the video. You can also use mold. If you don't have that mold, then don't worry, do it like the way I am doing. We have to empty the center of the bread like this. Now take the second slice of the bread and spread butter on both the sides of the bread. Once it's done, spread pizza sauce on one side of the bread. Along with the pizza sauce, you can also add mayonnaise or any other sauce you like. Place the second bread and add good amount of stuffing in the center of the bread. Finally, top it up with some cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice. Brush the sides of the bread so when we bake the bread, it will turn out to be crunchy and crispy. Now I am adding some more cheese because I am a very cheesy person. I'm just joking. I am feeling a little less cheese, so I am adding some more cheese. Towards the end, sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes on the top. And here comes the final step to bake pizza sandwich. You can bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes in the middle rack, and the pizza sandwich is done. Cut the sandwich into half and the pizza sandwich is ready to serve. You can also accompany with some potato fries and enjoy with your family and friends. I hope you like this easy recipe of pizza sandwich, and do try this recipe at home and share your photograph with us on Instagram with #pinchofeverything, and do subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram also. And thank you for watching this video. See you super soon with more interesting and easy recipes. Thank you.